Thank you, Suzanne. Hello, everyone. I'm Duane Wessels. I work for Verisign, and I've got a couple of short presentations here to tell you about some upcoming changes. So first, want to tell you about our plans to transition some TLDs to elliptic curve DNSSEC. Probably if you've been paying attention, this is not a surprise because some emails have been going out already. But here's the talk. So this graph is from our data where we track signed domain names in .com and .net, and you can see that how this has grown over the years. This graph shows the number of the count of domains in those two TLDs. For .com, we're at about 7 million. For .net, we're not quite at 1 million. Here's the same data, but shown as a percentage of the zone size. And here, of course, they're pretty close to each other in the 5% range. So one thing that stands out on these graphs is the sort of initially there's this sort of slow growth. And then in about 2020, there's more aggressive growth. The first phase, the signed domain names are growing at about 0.1% per year from 2012 to 2020. From 2020 to present, it's growing at about 1.1% per year. And so we anticipate continued growth in the number of signed second-level domains. We'll be transitioning to elliptic curve, to algorithm 13. Probably this is pretty obvious to a lot of the folks in the audience, but the benefits of ECDSA are the smaller signature sizes, 64 bytes versus 160 bytes for our current 1280-bit RSA zone signing key. And this benefits, of course, both message size and memory usage. Additionally, ECDSA has improved cryptographic strength. Algorithm 13 is generally considered to be equivalent strength to 3072-bit RSA. So, yeah, obviously, currently we're using RSA. The KSK is 2048 bits. The ZSK is 1280 bits. And for our TLDs, we plan on rolling that to algorithm 13. With a conservative double signature approach. So the first step is to add the algorithm 13 signatures alongside the algorithm 8 signatures. This is done in batches, and about 25% of the zone will have the new signatures appear each day over the course of 4 days. We get to 100%. After that, we'll start publishing the algorithm 13 DNS key records, wait a little bit, and after that, we cut over the DS record from RSA to ECDSA. And then we reverse the process. So after a while, we'll remove the algorithm 8 DNS key records, and then we remove the algorithm 8 ZSK signatures in batches of 25% per day. Here's a table that shows the schedule for EDU, net, and COM. The EDU zone actually will be starting later today, depending on, I guess, where you are in the world. For me, it'll be later today. We should start seeing some EDU domains and records should start having the algorithm 13 signatures today. Of course, that'll take 4 days. And then the rollover itself, where the DS record change happens, that's scheduled between September 12th and 15th for .edu, and the rollover will be complete on September 22nd. For .net, we start at the end of October and finish in early November. Another 2-week period. And then for .com, we start right at the end of November and finish mid-December. that's our expected schedule. There's a possibility that those may change a little bit, but at this point, everything's on track to keep to those dates. And for other TLDs that Verisign operates, those some dates are still TBD for those. So that's it for that talk. Happy to take questions if anybody has any on that.